Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today, we're looking at a new, updated 2021 Forest River Rockwood Ultralight 2606WS. New graphics, new lighter ash color interior, key to like, a lot of new features, great floor plan. Let's get started, take a look. Guys, make sure you watch till the end of the video. I'll show you a quick clip with the slide outs in so you can see what you do and don't have access to. And always remember, give me a quick thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, that bell. That notification will give you a heads up when new campers go on. Be the first one to see new colors, new options, new floor plans. So make sure you hit that bell. Check in the description down low, pricing, weights, holding tanks, all that good stuff. If this isn't the right floor plan for you, I'll have some other ones listed below. Check those out. A little larger, a little smaller. And if you don't see one you like, list in the comments. I'll do my best to put it on as quickly as possible for you. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV. All right, start on the inside. Been waiting a long time to get our first Rockwood in with the new ash cabinetry. Nice light woodwork. Chocolate decor. See the solid door up front, as well as in the back, and that's where we'll start this floor plan, the 2606. It is very popular because of the rear bathroom. Nice vanity, linen closet, storage down low. Nice vanity, well lit. Max air fan on the top with the cover. Glass enclosed shower. Give you an idea, I'm in 6'5", and I'm just over the rail right at the skylight. So you got another 2 inches, if you're a little taller than me, to fit in that shower. In the living room, nice light flooring. The chocolate decor, new Millsburg collection. Still have recliners, divider in the middle, a little charging area, cup holders. One nice new feature, the lumbar support. You can adjust that right here. You see the roller shades, nice overhead storage. Booth dinette, we'll take a look at the setup and breakdown of that. All right, real quick setup and breakdown of the booth dinette. What's nice about this table, it is removable. It's very lightweight, but very durable, very sturdy. One little lever, and it drops down. You can use this as a coffee table. You can move it out altogether. You got no pedestal, nothing in the way of your feet, so you can comfortably sit in here. But as for making it into a bed, you've got little Velcro tabs. And it rests right on there. Slide your cushions down. And here's your booth dinette. As for setting it back up into the bed, very simple, but for transport, this is the best way for it to transport in the down position. Remove the cushions, utilize that Velcro. Pull the table out. You can really just lean it. The legs extend right out. And and then you're back set up, ready to eat. Nice storage down low, lighting throughout. Kitchen area, overhead cabinetry, stainless microwave. You do get the exhaust range. 3 burners, got the flush mount cover. LED lights, nice large oven. Spot for a trash can. Nice drawers. You do get the countertop extension. We'll take a look at that. There's your extension. More workspace. And you can store that under the bed or wherever you like in travel. Dual stainless steel sinks. Spray head. Nice new backsplash all the way around. Receptacles and lighting throughout. Again, deep storage. Gas electric refrigerator. Again, another nice feature Rockwood does is the TST tire monitoring system. Check your pressure, temperature. Nice safety feature for the tires. Get a little spatula there, Forest River, water filtration. TV area directly across from the theater seating. Good storage down low. Your IRV technology, sync your phone to that. Your DVD, AM, FM, CD player, USB and HDMI. Your built-in speakers. Nice storage behind the TV, so nice little hidden storage there. Plenty of room, easy access to all your controls. As soon as you walk in the door, your control panel, work your awning, your slide outs, your lighting. Check your holding tanks. We are equipped with dual air conditioners, so both zones right here. Which we will check right now behind this door. Queen walk around bed. Again, there's the countertop extension. Under the bed, you got storage and you've got drawers. Fire escape window. We did equip this with a TV in the bedroom that's on a swivel arm. Second air conditioner, tons of storage, shade for that front windshield, receptacle and USB charging on both sides, nice deep drawers. In the closet area, you've got good hanging, storage area as well. So nice large bedroom, mainly because of that second slide out there. Plenty of room to get around the bed. So brand new 2021 Forest River Rockwood Lite 2606WS. Let's move to the outside and take a look there. All right, moving to the outside, 2606. Nice long awning. Automotive windshield, you see that new logo on the front. 2 30-pound propane bottles. Power tongue jack. Nice 7-pin holder right here on the front. Spot for 2 batteries. 2606 is a dry weight of 6,535 pounds. Side open compartment door, nice and thick. Wide open pass-through storage. Your docking lights on the front. You got a little LED light strip there. You'll see we equipped the Rockwood with awning toppers over your slide outs. Again, slam latch compartments, frameless windows. We're looking at a 50 amp service. We did equip this with 2 air conditioners. You've got your hot and cold outside shower. Hot and cold. Remember, all key to like So only one key now instead of having a whole key ring full of keys for your compartments and your shower. Your water, black tank flush, cable, all your hookups in one area with a nice convenience light. Sewer connection down low. Your spare tire mounted on the bumper. Factory installed roof ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. All right, take a look at the roof. You see 2 air conditioners, your max air fan up front, one in the bathroom, TV antenna, top of your slide toppers, your skylight. You also prepped for a backup camera. Rockwood gives you again, factory installed receiver. Your hitch weight, 300-pound limit. It's not for towing, but you can add a bike rack, slide over this spare tire. Nice little added feature there. Electric stabilizer jacks. So controls here for your back 2, controls up front for the others. Large assist handle. We mentioned the large power awning. LED lights. Outside speakers, the exhaust for your range. You got a spot to move the TV outside, hook right there on the sidewall. Plug right into your receptacle and your cable. You got a prep table and also comes with a outside griddle. Nice rims, Goodyear endurance tires. So high grade tires. Other side of your pass-through storage, you see slam latch compartments, your controls for your front jacks, and again, a new feature, all key to like, your compartments and your doors. Nice step above, 3 entry step, folds right up into the camper, nice and clean. Friction hinge doors where that stays. You got the screenshot. Screen door slams itself. The 3 entry step, again, step above, shock assist, folds it right up into the camper for you. So a nice clean look there, very supportive all the way to the ground. So brand new 2021 Rockwood Lite 2606WS. Thanks again for watching. All right, as promised, slide outs in. Got full access to the fridge. No access to the bedroom, but full access to the bathroom. So slide outs in. You can still get in the kitchen, everything you need, just not the bedroom. Guys, real quick, do me a favor. If you've not yet already, give me a quick thumbs up. How's it go? Also hit the subscribe button, that bell. The notification will give you a heads up when new campers go on. Be the first one to see new colors like the new Ash, new options, new everything. So make sure you hit that bell and check them out as soon as they go on. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV. And Mason.
And when I grow up, you guys can walk at Dodd RV too. Just drive around the corner, drive over a big bridge. If you go over the big bridge, you can see your water. Hope you guys have a good day. And Scott and Mason Hudgins. So that's all we're gonna do. Bye bye. But now we have to take you off. Sorry.
Stop.
Stop.